So we stop here. So I want to answer the question. So the question was asked if a widow or even divorcee, that doesn't matter, right? Meaning somebody, a woman that was used to marry and no longer, right? So is she's obligated to cover her hair? And we say, yeah, absolutely. So because she went, and that's exactly like that's how I remember, because the connection what we just said, b'siyata d'shmaya, right? So because she went in a sanctity, she on a higher level, so she cannot go down. So she has to keep this standard of sanctity. But of course, we tell her is if she needs to go, if she wants to remarry, right? And we encourage people to remarry, of course. And so for this for the date, at least for the first date, if needed, so she can come without head covering for sure. And not only should, okay, let's of course it's case by case basis, but many times if she thinks that he's a good candidate, even on the first date she can come without head covering. There is no problem. Okay, right? But like in a normal life, yeah, she should cover her hair. Okay.